Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make a lot of money online in 2020. Not all the affiliate gurus are teaching you. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to give any voiceover. You just need to create 1 to 10 seconds very simple videos and you can start making money out of these videos. You don't have to be dependent on the AdSense on YouTube. Still, you are gonna make money, and anyone, absolutely anyone can make money because there is no requirement to have new ideas to create new content every single day, because all you need to do is copy and paste and you are gonna earn a lot of money just by doing this very simple thing. So get excited, grab some popcorn, and let's start the video. Let me reveal to you the entire strategy to make this awesome money online. So let's get started into the video. So let me come to the side of the screen and let's become a bit smaller so that I don't disturb you. Okay, so let's go to our browser. So this method is really interesting and I'm going to show you what you have to do in this strategy. Okay, so now let's open and let's start the video and let me show you what you need to do to make some awesome money online doing this very simple particular strategy. Okay, so now this is let me open this. My computer is a bit slow today, but still let's get started into the video. Okay, so here you need to search a name, that is gaming FX. Okay, let's search for gaming FX and you can see this is a particular type of YouTube channel which you have to open. I'm gonna show you where you are gonna find content for this type of YouTube channel, what type of content is needed, and how they are making money just by making this 7-second long videos. Okay, so let me show you.
Tell them to bring me my money.
So you can see very simple music, a very simple video which has a particular sound effect. Now how you can make this type of videos is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch this video till the end. Let me show you how much this channel is making. Okay, so you can see it has got almost 500,000 subscribers, and let's go to Social Blade and find out how much money this channel is making. Let's copy its name. Okay, gaming sound effects. Let's type its name. Effects. So I'm typing the name gaming sound effects and let's find it out what amount of views this channel is getting and what amount of money this channel is earning. Okay, so let me open this up. Okay, so you can see this channel is making insane 2.9 thousand USD every single month to 45,000 US dollars in a single month. So it may be earning a middle amount between these two. Okay, so this channel may be earning more than $20,000 every single month just with this YouTube channel. You can see it has got 11 million views in just last 30 days. So you can see, and they are getting 300,000 plus views every single day, and they are making a ton of money with this type of YouTube channel. All they are doing is creating a 5 to 10 seconds long videos. Now I'm going to show you how you can make this type of very simple videos, because you don't need to make much effort to make this type of videos. All it takes is 1 minute to make this type of videos. Okay, so to make this type of videos, first you need to find an icon. Okay, so you need to go to this website which is known as pixabay.com. okay, and you can see once you go to pixabay.com, it is a copyright free image website from where you can find all these kinds of images. Okay, so I have found one image and I have already downloaded it to my computer, but you can just go to this website and download any of the image whichever you like. This is a good one, as well as this one is also a good one. So you can find any of the icon image which you want. Okay, so once you have downloaded, then just get ready. Okay, so I have already downloaded this image over here and that is the image which I'm gonna use in this video. Okay, so we have already downloaded our image. Now the next step is that you need to download audio. Okay, so where you are gonna find sound effects. So to find the sound effects, you need to go to YouTube audio library. All you need to do is go to Google and type in YouTube audio library. Once you type in, all you have to do is click on this sound effects, and you can see there are a ton of sound effects which you can download from this. Okay, so all you need to do is download this sound effects whichever you like, and you just have to convert those sound effects into this very simple 5 to 10 seconds videos. Okay, so there are a lot of sound effects which you can use, and you can download any one of them. Okay, so I have already downloaded a sound effect which is over here from this website, and I'm going to use that sound effect. And the best thing about YouTube audio library is that there is no problem and you won't get any copyright strike for using this sound effects, because YouTube itself is providing you all these sound effects. Okay, so once you have done this and you have got your sound, now all you need to do is go to this website which is known as openshot.org. Okay, you just need to go to openshot.org and download this video editor. Why this video editor? Because this video editor is absolutely free. Okay, and the other thing is that even though if you have a PC which has low specifications, still this video editor works on all the PCs. Okay, even though if it has a low specification, and that's the reason why I love this video editor. Okay, once you have downloaded this video editor, all you need to do is open it. So let me open this video editor and let me make this video for you so that you can understand the entire process how you can make this type of video. Okay, so once we have opened it, all we need to do is drag the files which we have downloaded. So this is the audio file which we have downloaded, as well as this is okay. So we have downloaded this file. Let me minimize this and you can see over here. Okay, so these two are there. All you need to do is drag this image into a timeline. Okay, so we have dragged this image into our timeline, and then you just need to drag the sound to your timeline, and your video is ready. That's it. Now just play the video. So you can see the car sound effects video has been ready. All you need to do is click on this red button, type in the name of the project, and you need to select. Now I'm going to show you what you need to select over here. Okay, so just file folder. Okay, wherever you want to save your file, then you need to select here MP4, this MP4 MP4. Okay, once you select this, all you need to do is go to this 1080p 30 frames per second. Just select that, and all you need to do is export the video, and your video will be ready to be uploaded on YouTube. That's very simple, that's very easy, and in this way you are gonna make this type of videos. Now I have previously said that you don't need to be dependent on ad revenue, so I'm gonna show you how you can make a ton of money out of it without being dependent on ad revenue. Okay, so now let's go to that particular website which will make you money, and you don't need to sell any stuff, but still you are gonna earn money directly coming into your PayPal account. Okay, so this video has been titled free PayPal money, and that's the reason why I'm gonna show you how you can make PayPal money. So all you need to do is you have an audio file. Okay, so now the people who are interested in this type of videos, okay, in this type of sounds, are the people who do a lot of video editing. Okay, for these sounds are those for those people who are video editors, who need to use this sound effects into their videos, and that's the reason why they will come to your channel to download this sound effects. Now what you have to do is you have to provide the download link in the description of this video of that particular sound effect. How you are gonna do that? Provide that download link, and that download link will earn you money. More people download those, you make more money. Okay, so the thing is that you just have to go to this particular website, that is file-upload.com. Okay, and all you need to do is upload your sound effect to this website. Okay, once you have uploaded your sound effect to this website, what will happen is that it will give you a shareable link. Okay, and once someone clicks on that shareable link and downloads this particular sound effect, you are gonna earn money out of that. And that's the beauty of the strategy, and that's the beauty of this method. Okay, so you can see that if someone downloads your sound effect from this country, then you are gonna receive $7. From this countries, then you are gonna receive $3. And that's the best thing, because the more people come to your YouTube channel and the more they download this sound effects, the more money you are gonna generate. And this is more money as compared to the YouTube AdSense revenue, because for 1000 views YouTube pays you $3 on average, and this is way more than that. So you are gonna earn a lot of money just by doing this very simple thing and very simple trick to make a lot of money online. Not anyone is gonna tell you to do this, and not everybody is gonna show you this type of unique strategies to make money online. That's the reason why I want to tell you that you should press the subscribe button which is under my video, and you should just press it as well as press the bell notification, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos to teach you how to make money online, affiliate marketing and online business, so that you can live a life of freedom where you don't have to work under any of the boss. I have been in a job before. I have worked under a boss and I hated that, and that's something which I don't want to happen to you. I want you to live a life of freedom. I want you to make money online sitting at the comfort of your home, and that's the reason why I'm creating these videos, helping you how to make money online, teaching you different strategies to make money online. You can also check out all these other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value and ton of strategies which you can use to make real money online. I'm not talking about $5 to $10 or all that surveys and all that stuff. I'm talking about serious strategies and methods which people are using to make a lot of money online, and you can find all those methods and strategies on my YouTube channel. So just press the subscribe button and press the bell notification. You can also follow me on Instagram, and the link is there in the description. You can also send me a message if you are interested, if you have any of the doubts, questions or queries regarding make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.